Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Minecraft error 2318. This error usually happens because of the launcher issue, corrupted file, account sync problem, or temporary connection error. First, just go and close Minecraft launcher completely and try opening it again. Temporary launcher glitches can often cause this error. Next, just go ahead and sign out of your Microsoft account. Just click on your profile icon at the top left, and here just go and click on Logout and log back in with your ID to refresh your account authentication. After that, also make sure your internet connection is stable. If needed, just go ahead and restart your router and reconnect to the network. Now just go ahead and restart your PC. Just go to your Windows and just click on the power icon and choose to restart your PC to clear temporary system and launcher issue. Then just go to any browser to your liking and make sure the Minecraft launcher is updated to the latest version. Just go ahead and search for Minecraft launcher and go to the official website and make sure it is updated to the latest version, since outdated launcher files can sometimes trigger this error. If the issue still continues, uninstall and reinstall the Minecraft launcher to replace any corrupted files. Finally, launch Minecraft once again and check whether the issue has been resolved. The simple rule is launcher or account issue usually cause error 2318, and relogging into your account along with restarting the launcher fixes it in most cases, and that's it. We just learned how to fix the Minecraft error 2318. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.